We have completed pros with over 50,000 patients and have learned a lot about what helps motivate patients to complete them. Let's listen to what they have told us.
My doctor sent a message asking me to answer some questions about my pain, how it limits me, and how I was feeling. He told me we would discuss the results during our visit. Knowing how important this was to my care made me feel like I should take the time to do this.
Sending patients a personalized message from the clinician before the visit increases response rates because patients learn how important the pro is to their treatment.
I called my doctor's office to make sure the email link I received was genuine. The person I spoke with was very nice. She explained why it was important for me to answer the questions, so I made time to do it.
Making sure your staff are prepared to answer questions about the pro is an essential part of helping to motivate patients. Staff can assist them in understanding how important completing the pro is to their care.
The pro was such an eye-opener and a really great thing to go through prior to my appointment. I never really thought about how much my hip pain was impacting my life, but answering those questions made me take a deep dive into that. It was important to have that understanding going into the appointment. So I'm glad I took the time to complete the pro prior to my appointment.
Once patients complete the pros, they often realize the questions help describe their symptoms, and they are motivated to answer future pros.
Having the pro results helped me communicate much better with my doctor. I'm glad I completed the pro so my doctor could review the results with me during my visit. I learned a lot about my other knee, which I didn't even know was an issue. My doctor referred to my results several times during our visit to back up her treatment recommendations. I am very impressed that my doctor would have this as a resource.
Patients find discussing the pro during the visit is a helpful way to understand their condition and treatment recommendations. They are motivated to complete post-treatment pros when they are used as part of the clinical care process.
Seeing with numbers how my recovery is progressing is really helpful. Doctors do not usually present you with numbers that show how you compare to other patients. Now I know I am recovering just like many others who have had this surgery. I can't wait to get my next results.
Once patients began answering our pro, 98% answered every question. Getting them started is the key. Sending a personalized invitation also works to encourage patients to complete the post-treatment pro. Using an automated tracking report makes this efficient. If you would like to learn more about our pro implementation process, visit our website for free downloads.